Okay, my name is Schnee, and I'm working inside innovation of Heraeus Electronics. And at this part, I'm leading the paste product development group. And the paste product development group's focusing on different kind of paste products. It's solder paste, it's stick film paste, and the sinter paste. And for the sinter paste, I will have a presentation also on this conference here. We may have a presentation regarding sintering and focusing on the process, not on the product. So this will be on an infrared sintering method, which we want to introduce as a potential solution for the industry. Okay, at the moment for sintering there are two processes. There's a pressure process and a non-pressure process. And in both, let's say, there are steps which are very time consuming. In the pressure process is the drying of the paste. And in the non-pressure process, the material is put in the oven. And this process takes up to 4 hours, depending on the size. And with the infrared technology, which we want to introduce here, is the potential that we can, going in the drying, for example, from 30 minutes down to below 10. Yeah, and in the oven process, from 4 hours to below 1 hour. So there's a very much potential for the customers to save the times in the processes. Yeah, at the moment this is a new technology. Yeah, so there's at the moment no one implementing this at the moment because we are still looking for potentials. The advantage of Heraeus is that there's another GPU inside Heraeus. It's called Heraeus Nobelite, and they are market leader for emitters, ultraviolet emitters, infrared emitters. And there we have the possibilities to get support regarding equipment. So we can also offer the customers now. HT offers a technology, but with the other GPU, with Heraeus Nobelite, there's the possibility also to get equipment which can be directly put into the process of the customers to solve this bottleneck, meaning the timing in the processes.